Okay, here we have Wilfredo, and he came to us about a year ago, and you had some pretty much bone-on-bone arthritis of the right outside of the knee, right?
Correct.
And you were recommended to have a total knee replacement, right?
Yeah, I was told.
Okay.
Yes.
So we decided to do the laser stem cell signaling, and 1 year later, how is the knee holding up?
And it's holding pretty good.
Okay.
Yes, so I'm happy about it.
All right.
Yeah.
So over the course of a year, how many percent improvement would you say you have in that knee?
Well, I would say about 85%.
Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah, it is. I get occasional pain once in a while, but minor pain.
Yeah, you could move better, walk a lot further.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
All right.
I haven't tried playing tennis yet.
Yeah, well, I'll give you the green light for that. But
Oh,
yeah.
that would be great.
So we're just gonna do like a yearly a maintenance treatment just to kind of keep the cells stimulated.
Okay.
There's something else we'll be able to do to, maybe get past 85% and get you on the tennis court. All right.
Yes.
All right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.